Opening a business bank account. When starting a business, it is essential to open a business bank account. This is because a business bank account is a key tool for managing business finances, paying taxes, and establishing credibility. It also offers additional benefits that personal accounts do not, such as access to business loans and credit lines. Having a business bank account is important for managing finances. A business bank account allows you to keep track of all your business transactions in one place, making it easier to manage cash flow and keep an eye on expenses. It also allows you to separate your business finances from your personal finances, which can help you stay organized and avoid any potential legal issues. A business bank account also gives you access to a variety of financial services that can help you manage your finances and grow your business. With a business bank account, you can take advantage of features like online banking, which can make it easier to manage your finances and keep track of your spending. Having a business bank account is also important for paying taxes. A business bank account also allows you to keep track of all your business income and expenses, which makes it easier to prepare accurate tax returns. You can also easily transfer funds to the IRS when it's time to pay taxes. Having a business bank account is an important step in establishing credibility for your business. It shows potential customers and partners that you are serious about your business and that you are organized and professional. In conclusion, opening a business bank account is an essential step when starting a business. It is important for managing finances, paying taxes, and establishing credibility. It also offers additional benefits that personal accounts do not, such as access to business loans and credit lines.